Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue. While launching the Valorant, you got an error. Secure boot policy of this device could not be verified. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let me make you one thing very clear that this particular glitch is from the developer end of the Valorant and they are working on to fix out this issue. In the meantime, I have few fixes that may work out for you. So right in your browser, first of all open it, and in the search box you need to type in update BIOS, and next to it type in your motherboard manufacturer such as Lenovo, and then hit the enter key. Now from here you must open the official website only. Here is the official website of Lenovo. Now from the left pane you need to enter the serial number of your Lenovo. After entering the serial number, click on the option driver and software, then choose manual update. From here select BIOS and you will find the latest BIOS file for your motherboard. Just download it. Once it is downloaded, install it in your system. After installing the BIOS update, you need to enter into the BIOS menu, and right into the BIOS menu you will find Intel virtualization technology. Again, depending on the type of BIOS you have, it will be in the different name like Intel virtualization technology. For other users it will show like Intel PTT, which is same, and for other users it may be shown as Intel VMX technology. So find this Intel VTT under advanced or system settings and enable it. After enabling, restart your system and relaunch the game, and hopefully this will fix out the issue. And if nothing works, you can see right over here that they are already aware of the issue and they are working on to fix out this particular secure boot error. So you need to be patient and wait for the next update, and with the new update the issue will be completely fixed. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.